Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture we will discuss the FAQs of RBI and we will cover the MCQs on the important RBI FAQs which are very important for the finance paper of RBI Grade B and SEBI Grade A. So nowadays trend is there that questions are being asked from the RBI notification FAQs directly in phase 1 also, and recently IBPS exams uh, are being conducting, and the questions from RBI FAQs as well as the notification are being covered. For example, that National Strategy for Financial Inclusion was launched in January, but recently National Housing Bank was exam was held in the October, so question was asked from that. And recently the self-regulatory organization, their guidelines was issued by the RBI, I think in March or April. The question was asked today in the RBI assistant main exam. So, and previous history of RBI grade B phase 2, that questions are being asked from the RBI FAQs as well as the notification. These are very important. So we are covering the series. All questions we will not be able to cover, but important MCQs we are covering, and in details we are covering MCQs in our course. That is a paid course and it is the most economical course. So we will not take much time and we will complete the MCQs very fast. So first question today, the topic is priority sector lending. Very important topic in 2018. Approximate 10 marks questions, 5 questions or 2 marks each. 10 marks in finance and management paper in 2018 RBI GRADE exam was directly asked from this topic. So it's very important topic. As per priority RBI priority sector lending guidelines, total PSL target for small finance bank and RRBs. You have to take care of these things. If small finance bank and RRBs, it is mentioned, it is not mentioned is domestic commercial bank and foreign banks. Small finance bank and RRB, you have to answer for this small finance bank and RRBs. So target for these two are 75% of A and BC adjusted net bank credit. So for other bank like domestic commercial bank and foreign banks, this target is 40% of A and BSc. So for these two, small finance bank and RRB, it is the right answer. 75% of ANBC adjusted net bank credit. So next question is, as per RBI priority sector lending guidelines, PSL target of agriculture sector for domestic commercial bank, foreign banks with 20 branches and above, small finance bank and RRBs 10%, 18% of ANBC, 40% of ANBC, 60% of ANBC and 75% of ANBC. So you have to answer from all these 5 options. You can check yourself if you have studied this topic, so you can answer and check. It's 18% is the right answer. This very important topic we are studying today, priority sector lending, and I will suggest you to study the complete circular available on RBI website. That is very important. Every line is very important for this circular, as this question were asked in 2018 and we can expect this year also. Next question, as per RBI priority sector lending guidelines, loan for agriculture infrastructure will be subject to an aggregate sanction limit of rupees per borrower from the banking system. So agriculture, for we have to answer that limit of loans for agriculture infrastructure and under the priority sector lending guidelines for the agriculture infrastructure. So right answer is, you have to select the option from these 5 options: 50 lakh, 100 lakh, 5 crore, 50 crore. So right answer is the 100 crore. 100 crore is the limit for the agriculture infrastructure. As per RBI priority sector lending guidelines, loan to individual for the educational purpose, including vocational courses, not exceeding rupees 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, 25 lakh. So 20 lakhs is the right answer. Next question, as per RBI property sector lending guidelines, bank loan up to a limit of rupees dash borrowers for purpose like solar based power generators, biomass based power generator, windmills, micro hydel plants, and for non-conventional energy basic public utilities, street lighting system, remote village electrification, etc. will be eligible for priority sector classification. Simply in simplification, it is for the renewable energy. So renewable energy total target means bank loan up to a limit for borrowers. So that is 30 crore. So 30 crore is the right answer for renewable energy part. That is covered like solar based power generators, biomass based power generators for these purpose. And as per RBI priority sector lending guidelines, overdraft limit to PMJDY account holder up to rupees with age limit of 18 to 65 years may be classified under weaker sections. Sorry, weaker section. So 1000, 2000, 5000, 8000, 10,000. So currently overdraft limit is 10,000. So 10,000 is the right answer. Earlier it was 5,000. Age was also 60 years, but later on it was increased to 65 from 18 to 60 to 18 to 65, and overdraft limit was also increased. So it is right answer is 10,000. The term priority sector lending was first properly defined by the Usha Thorat, Bimal Jalan, Dr. C. Rangarajan, K.S. Krishnaswamy, M.S. Swaminathan. So you have to answer the question, very important question. So the first time this term priority sector lending was given by the Dr. K.S. Krishnaswamy in 1972. And first time RBI set the target for the priority sector lending in 1974. That was 33 1 by 3 percentage. This was the first time RBI set the target for the priority sector lending in 1974. The term was coined by Dr. K.S. Krishnaswamy. First time it was defined. Next question, as per priority sector lending guideline, loan to individual up to rupees dash in metropolitan center and up to dash in other center for purchase construction of dwelling unit per family. So these are the 5 options. So you may be, if you have studied and you know the answer, then this is the right answer. 35 lakh and 25 lakh. And also there is a limit on the cost of the house that is also given in the circular. Next question, PSLC would have a standard lot size of rupees dash and multiples. So PSLC, you may be aware about that. PSLC stand for the priority sector lending certificates. These are the certificates which can use uh, for the purpose of if there is a shortfall in priority sector lending. So a bank can purchase from other bank who have access and who have given the who have lend the who have lent to priority sector in excess, so they can get the priority sector lending certificate, means they can purchase from those banks. And this will be for this a standard lot size will be of 25 rupees and multiples. So it's very important priority sector lending certificate. As per RBI priority sector lending guidelines, loan up to dash to be provided to startups as per definition of Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, that are engaged in agriculture and light services. So for this, what will be the right answer? 50 crore is the right answer for this. These are the very important question. One more important point, that if there is a shortfall in priority sector lending, then the banks have to pay the penalty, and that will be credited into the RIDF, Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. So is also very important term. So these are the 10 questions from the priority sector lending guidelines that is given on RBI FAQs. It is available in RBI FAQs, and also the latest circular of September is there on RBI website. So in FAQs it is there's priority sector lending guidelines is little bit old, so I will advise you not cover the do not cover this priority sector lending from the FAQ section. Rather than you can do it from the circular issued by RBI recently. So that is very important for the upcoming exam of SEBI Grade A and RBI Grade B, and next time in NABARD also. So it's the course we are providing for the RBI Grade B Phase 2. complete ESI and FM. There is no need to offer any source. We will provide the everything like MCQs, current affair, government schemes. Everything will be there in our course, mock test as well, and monthly current affairs specific to the this ESI and finance part, banking part, reports, various indices. All things will be covered. No need to refer any. And course is very specific to the RBI, and it will cost you 2499. Sample material is available at our website crackgradeb.com. And for SEBI Grade A course, you can purchase it from our website. It's also the most economical and most specific course. 2000 rupees it will cost you, and sample material is available at our website. Register at our website, verify your mail and log in, and after that you can purchase course. For any query you can call us, and 70 to 80% question asked in every exam like RBI Grade B NABARD SEBI were directly covered from our study material. Proof was shared immediately after the exam, and these are our courses: RBI Grade B, SEBI Grade A, IRD, NABARD Grade A and B, FSI Technical Officer, Central Food Safety Officer, UPSC, EPFO, Enforcement Officer exam study material we are providing. And you can share this video, subscribe our channel, and refer to your friends those who are preparing for the RBI Grade B. And we will guide you till the exam of RBI Grade B and SEBI, and we will share as much as important content only, and we will not waste much time. We will not take much time in video, so we will release the short video and we'll cover the important MCQs from RBI FAQs and notification part. Thank you and happy learning.